I have a two-pronged question about vaccines. So you specifically mentioned progress in the rollout of vaccines, but there is still plenty that we don't know about supply over the coming weeks and months. So I'm curious how you and your colleagues are factoring in vaccine rollouts and funding for distribution in your forecasts and what that timeline looks like. And then secondly, I'm wondering if you yourself have been vaccinated along with other FOMC members. Thank you.
So, in terms of the rollout of the vaccines, we see what everyone else sees, right? We see that we're vaccinating people, and at a rate of about 1 million a day, apparently, and that it'll take quite a while to get to the numbers that the experts say are required to get to herd immunity, and we think it's going to be a struggle. You'll notice that we said that the pandemic still provides considerable downside risks to the economy, and that's one of the reasons why is the slowness of the rollout. Another reason why is just the arrival of these new virus strains. We don't know how to model that. You know, we can have a base case, but we realize no one knows how this new vaccine will roll out, how successful it will be, how high we'll be able to drive vaccination, and those sorts of things. So we have a base case, but we always look at the range of possibilities. In this case, we particularly look at the downside risks. You know, that's really what we do. Is we set policies so that we're going to remain accommodative until we actually see improvement in the economy and not just in the outlook in the data. So that's how we think about that. And I would also add, there's nothing more important to the economy now than people getting vaccinated. You know, if you think about the places where the economy is weak, I mentioned bars and restaurants. That's 400,000 jobs we lost last month, and that's all because of the spread of the pandemic. Many other areas of the economy, there was actually job creation in goods production and in some service industries as well. But we're just not going to be able to get that last group of people back to work, and it's a big group of people, until we get the pandemic behind us. We have not won this yet. We haven't succeeded in doing this yet, and we need to stay focused on it as a country and get there. And we clearly can, but we're going to have to stay focused, and that includes us at the Fed, monetary policy. I have been vaccinated once, and I expect to get my second vaccine sometime soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Michael.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.